A powerful winter storm continues to impact large parts of Ontario, Canada, bringing heavy snowfall, strong winds, and dangerous conditions across the region. Over the past day, the storm system has intensified, producing widespread snow accumulation and sharply reducing visibility in both urban and rural areas. Meteorologists warn that this event is shaping up to be one of the most disruptive winter storms of the season, with snowfall totals in some areas exceeding 30 centimeters. Southern Ontario, including the Greater Toronto Area, has been particularly affected. Snow has been falling steadily, at times heavily, accompanied by gusty winds that are creating blowing and drifting snow. These conditions have made travel extremely hazardous, with roads quickly becoming snow-covered and icy.
Rack.ca, official partners of the Toronto Maple Leafs. Rack.ca is Canada's #1 source for all things warehouse storage solutions. Rack.ca.
Lane markings are difficult to see, and drifting snow has caused sudden whiteout conditions in exposed areas. Major transportation routes have been severely disrupted. Several highways and expressways experience closures or significant slowdowns as accidents, stalled vehicles, and heavy snow made travel unsafe.
Welcome to St. Catharines. You guys in Northern Ontario can stop sending the snow today. Got it? Goodbye.
Emergency crews and snowplows have been working continuously, but the intensity of the snowfall has made it difficult to keep up. Motorists are being urged to avoid unnecessary travel and delay trips whenever possible. Public transportation systems across Ontario have also been affected. Bus and rail services have faced delays and interruptions as snow-covered roads and tracks complicated operations. In major cities, commuters encountered long waits and reduced service frequencies as transit authorities work to maintain safety under worsening conditions. Air travel has not been spared. Airports across the region have reported flight delays and cancellations due to snow-covered runways, de-icing operations, and limited visibility. Ground crews have been operating around the clock to clear snow and keep essential airport functions running, but travelers are still facing uncertainty and extended delays. Educational institutions across the province took precautionary measures as the storm intensified. Many school boards canceled in-person classes and suspended school transportation services to protect students and staff. Universities and colleges also adjusted schedules, with some shifting to remote learning or closing campuses entirely for the day. Emergency services have been stretched as responders deal with an increase in weather-related incidents. Police and rescue teams have assisted drivers trapped in snowbanks, responded to collisions, and supported stranded motorists.
Universities, University of Toronto, Mississauga, and Scarborough campuses are closed today. Class is suspended at York University until at least the afternoon. And learning as well this hour that TMU, Toronto Metropolitan University, the campus is closed there. Durham region and
Authorities continue to emphasize the importance of staying off the roads unless absolutely necessary, as conditions can deteriorate rapidly. Municipalities activated their winter storm response plans, deploying snowplows, salt trucks, and road crews across the region. Priority has been given to main roads, highways, and emergency routes, while residential streets are being addressed as resources allow. Residents are advised to keep clear of snow removal equipment and allow crews space to work efficiently. The storm has also brought bitterly cold temperatures and strong wind chills, increasing the risk of frostbite and hypothermia. Officials are encouraging people to limit time outdoors, dress in layers, and check on vulnerable neighbors.
So anyone who doesn't have four-wheel drive, or I guess whatever, you're screwed, because that's like as high as the car. Right, that's insane. Insane.
Pet owners are being reminded to keep animals indoors and ensure adequate warmth and shelter. Although snowfall is expected to gradually ease, cleanup efforts will continue well beyond the end of the storm. Snow removal operations are likely to last through the night and into the following days as crews work to restore normal traffic flow and accessibility. Weather officials caution that additional winter systems may follow, keeping conditions unsettled. Overall, Ontario remains under the grip of a severe winter storm that has disrupted daily life, paralyzed transportation, and tested emergency services.
We are just as happy as you to welcome you to Toronto. The local time is 10 after 12 a.m.